Hello students, welcome to the first class of physics of class 6. Our first chapter is motion and measurement of distance. First topic, story of transport. In ancient time, when no means of transport were available, people traveled mainly on foot and carried luggage on their back. The invention of wheel brought about many changes. Carts pulled by animals were used to travel from one place to another. In the present time, with the development of science and technology, we have trains and automobiles. These inventions greatly reduce the time to travel. Next topic, measurement. Measurement is the process of comparing the unknown quantity of an object to be measured with a standard unit of measurement. Next, the quantities like length, mass, volume, time, speed, temperature that can be measured are called physical quantities. Any quantities that can be measured is called a physical quantity. Standard units of measurement. In early times, people used different parts of their body to measure length. The length of an object was measured by using handspan, cubit, space, foot, and fathom. But these units may vary person to person depending on the length of the body parts. So we need a standard units of measurement. Standard unit of measurement are those that have a fixed quantity and therefore do not vary place to place and person to person. SI unit of physical quantities. There is an international system of units. This is an institute which determines the standard units for measurement among the countries of the world. SI unit of length is meter, SI unit of time is second, SI unit of mass is kilogram, SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. There are also other physical quantities which have SI units. Measurement of length. Length is the distance between any two points or place. We use scale and flexible measuring tape to measure length. There are some bigger and smaller units of length apart from meter, which is the SI unit. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeters, 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. These are other units. We can convert meter into centimeters, millimeters. We can convert kilometer into meters. Some conversion numericals. Suppose we have to convert 6540 meter into kilometer. We know 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So distance 6540 divided by 1000, we get 6.54 kilometer. So 6540 meter equal to 6.54 kilometer. Next, 2 meter should be converted into centimeter. We know 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 2 meter, 2 into 100 centimeter equal to 200 centimeter. We get 2 meter equal to 200 centimeter. Next topic, how to measure the length of an object. Suppose we have to measure the colored part of the page. We have to place the scale like this with 0 mark of the scale at the extreme left part, and we have to see the extreme right part of the colored portion of the page. So we see it is approximately 3.7 centimeter mark of the scale. So the length of the colored part is 3.7 centimeter, and we have to remember that when we place the scale to measure the colored part, we have to place the scale in a proper parallel way, not like this in a curved way, and we have to see the scaling of the extreme left and the extreme right part while measuring with our eye perpendicularly so that there is no error. If we do not place our eye perpendicularly on it, there will be an error in the measurement. Thank you for today.